Yo, what is going on? So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Solana wallet. So it's pretty simple. So the first step is to go to solid.io, this website, and by default it will create a new wallet for you. You will also be provided with a 24 word seed phrase. You should keep private on a physical paper, not on the internet. Yeah, you should keep it safe before clicking continue. In step 2, you have the option to add additional protection by adding a password, which is recommended. Normally we can close wallet and access solid.io wallet back by just entering the password. Once the password has been chosen, click create wallet and the wallet will generate a new SOL Solana address for you. Drop down the SOL account and copy the deposit address. To add SPL tokens, you will need the cryptocurrency SOL to pay for the transactions of adding SPL tokens. You can purchase SOL from exchanges such as Binance and FTX. Buy a SOL and send it to your Solid wallet SOL deposit address. To add SPL tokens, click the plus icon on your Solid wallet to add tokens. A pop-up screen will open which will contain three options: popular tokens, ERC20 tokens, manual input. You can also copy the token mint address and search it on the Solana block explorer. So yeah, just type explorer.solana.com and you search it. Once you are sure about the token, you can proceed to add it to your wallet. Adding each token costs 0.002 SOL. And yeah, also just to remind you to keep that 24 words secret and write it down on a physical paper. Don't keep it on the internet and make sure it is secret. And because if you lose your account, you can only recover it with this 24 word phase. So yeah, that is it.